Welcome back to Create a Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to access Bing chatbot in Firefox browser. So, first open Firefox browser on your PC. Then in the address bar type about config and press enter on the keyboard. Then click on this one button, accept the risk and continue. Here you need to type general.useragent.override. You can find all these details on this video description also, so you can copy and paste here. After that you will see something like this. Here click on this one button, a string, then click on this one button plus. Then you need to copy and paste this one details from this one video description. After that click on this one save button, that is tick mark, or you can say check mark. That's all. Now you can try to access Bing chatbot in your Firefox browser. Just click on this one chat button and you can see I can ask anything from now from this one Bing chatbot. Hello. As you can see, everything is working. In case it does not work for you, you can always download this one extension from the Mozilla Firefox browser, and after that you can use Bing chatbot on your Firefox browser. I will put all these details on this video description, so don't worry. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. See you in the next video.